Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about editing and deleting sender lists. To edit a sender list, start by locating the list you wish to modify. On the right-hand side of the list row, you'll find a three-dot menu. Click on this menu to reveal several options and select Edit. Once you've entered the editing mode, you have a couple of choices. If you decide to change the list name, keep in mind that the system will create a new list with the updated recipients rather than altering the original. If you want to add recipients to the existing list, select Senders from the left side of the screen and click the arrow pointing to the right to add them to your list. To remove senders from your list, select the senders you wish to remove and click the arrow pointing left. When it comes to deleting a sender list, the process is just as straightforward. Identify the list you wish to remove, then click on the three-dot menu located next to it. From the drop-down options, select Delete. A warning message will appear to confirm your choice, reminding you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete in the pop-up window to complete the process. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.